Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade smoothies you've ever tasted. So let's get into it. So first we have shaved ice and we have sugar. We have some blueberries, we have some bananas, strawberries, we have some cranberry juice, some pomegranate juice. I like to use a little bit of flaxseed, and I'm adding some fresh turmeric. Like I said, the two main key ingredients are the ice and the sugar. But let's start with the berries. Couple of bananas, because the bananas are big and they're also frozen, so they may have a hard time blending up. A couple of strawberries, some cranberry juice, some pomegranate juice. We have our turmeric, a little bit of flaxseed, like I said, sugar, and like I said, one of the key main ingredients is ice. So we put all of that into a container. We're gonna put our lid on and blend. So once you have it blended to where you think you want it, I shake it down so it won't be all stuck on the top. There you have it. A thick, smooth smoothie. Look at that. Look at that consistency. That's the consistency you want. Stick around. I'll show you more. Subscribe, like, or comment. Thank you.